Bullish CRONOS cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0873 to $0.2140. CRONOS cost could likewise reach $0.3 soon. Bearish CRONOS cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0545. In CRONOS cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about CRONOS to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. What is CRONOS? CRONOS is the local cryptographic money of CRONOS, the local blockchain of the crypto.com trade. CRONOS is an open-source EVM viable blockchain based on Universe SDK. It uses the evidence of stake POS agreement. CRONOS blockchain upholds the spanning of dApps and Savvy agreements of Ethereum and other blockchains to the Universe environment by means of its between-blockchain correspondence, IBC conventions. Crypto.org, previously known as the Monaco Innovation Firm, conveyed the Monaco coin, MCO, as the utility token. In 2018, the organization sent off the CRONOS CRO is principally utilized as the utility token inside the crypto.com trade. Clients utilize these tokens in marking, administration, and in return benefits. CRONOS CRO existed previously as the crypto.com coin, CRO. Later in February 2021, the token was renamed CRONOS CRO. CRONOS CRO value expectation 2023. CRONOS stands firm on the 33rd footing on CoinGecko at the present time. CRONOS cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. The above outline of CRO late and even channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern, to show how the cost is compelled between the upper line of opposition and lower line of help. Flat channels are pattern lines that join inconsistent value ups and downs. At present, CRONOS CRO is in the scope of $0.0858. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of CRONOS could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.0873 and $0.1416. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of CRONOS might tumble to $0.0692 and $0.0551. CRONOS CRO backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of CRONOS CRO. The diagrams show that CRONOS has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, CRONOS could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $0.2140. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of CRONOS could plunge to nearly $0.0545, a negative sign. CRONOS CRO value forecast 2023 RVOL, MAMA and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of CRONOS is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of CRONOS lies underneath the M line, showing frail members and the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of CRONOS is displayed in the graph above. Outstandingly, CRONOS cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upturn. At present, CRONOS has entered a bullish state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of CRONOS whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record, RSI, of the CRONOS is 61.08. This implies that CRONOS is in an overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of CRONOS might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange CRONOS CRO value expectation 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of CRONOS. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of CRONOS. Right now, the ADX of CRONOS lies in the scope of 21.3996, and in this manner, it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the general instability file, RVI, of CRONOS. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of CRONOS lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of CRONOS CRO is at 61.08, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of CRONOS with BTC, F. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and CRONOS CRO. From the above graph, It very well may be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and CRO are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of CRO likewise increments or diminishes separately. CRONOS CRO Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. How about we anticipate the cost of CRONOS CRO somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. CRONOS CRO Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, CRONOS CRO could likely achieve $0.5 by 2024. CRONOS CRO Value Forecast 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, CRONOS CRO could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CRONOS could mobilize to hit $2 by 2025. CRONOS CRO Value Expectation 2026. If CRONOS CRO supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, CRONOS would revitalize to hit $4. CRONOS CRO Value Expectation 2027. If CRONOS CRO supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, CRONOS would energize to hit $6. CRONOS CRO Value Forecast 2028. If CRONOS CRO supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, CRONOS would mobilize to hit $8. CRONOS CRO Value Forecast 2029. If CRONOS CRO holds up areas of strength and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns and the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, CRONOS would hit $10 in 2029. CRONOS CRO Value Forecast 2030. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on CRONOS CRO, it would observe significant spikes. CRONOS could hit $12 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the CRONOS organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for CRONOS. Hence, the bullish value expectation of CRONOS CRO in 2023 is $0.2140. Then again, the negative value expectation of CRONOS CRO cost forecast for 2023 is $0.0545. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the CRONOS biological system, the exhibition of CRONOS would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high (ATH) of $0.965407 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $0.3, assuming the financial backers accept that CRONOS is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is CRONOS CRO? CRONOS CRO is the utility badge of CRONOS, the local blockchain of the crypto trade, Crypto.com. CRO was at first sent off as an ERC20 token and later relocated to CRONOS in